Jesus.
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 Jesus. My name is Rosemary Gajama. I came here because of my ear problem. I have ear problem.
20 years deafness on both ears.
Deaf.
For 20 years, Papa.
20 years.
On both ears.
Both ears.
Came here, Papa, at the instance of the world.
20 years.
20 years, Papa.
Deaf.
Deaf on the both
Come here.
ears.
And this is how you celebrate Jesus. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Jesus.
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 Papa. Papa. And this is how you celebrate. 20 years deafness. And this is how you clap your hands, somebody.
My name is Rosemary Gajama. I live in the police barrack, Keja. It's my first day to come this place today. I came here because of my ear problem. I have ear problem. Since the pastor prayed for me, now I used to hear some. Praise the Lord.